Right, we're live. Ba't walang video? Okay. All right. Good evening. This is Clifford Enoch, hello student, and my tawag doon, nickname, Clifford X, or yung ginagamit ko na uh, tagline, the PAKSITEER. So, in this live video, no, there's no script, there's no a rehearsal. Kaya, pardon me if this video probably medyo um, okay, I'm going to proceed. So, sa title na to, makikita nyo dyan, no taking up for low students. So, okay, so makikita nyo dun, no? I have plenty of books on my sa likod, but I have this book na kasama doon. Papakita ko sa inyo. Ganito, I'm going to share doon sa mga bumibili ng books, and then they were going to highlighting, taking a underline, whatever, yung ball pen is a standard, or is a the way we supposed to do, no, yung learning. But I'm taking it to the next level. So ganitong ginagawa ko. I'm not highlighting. So I can say that I am a anti-highlighter, no. So what I did is I read the book itself, no, itself, and then actually last year, July of the same year, last year, I have zero low books except those yung books na galing sa sa commerce, yung sa bachelor degree ko, that was yung obligation ng contract from De Leon, yung mga ganun, at saka yung iba pa. But then, no, again, I will going to introduce myself. Sinasabi ko to kanina, I'm a law student. My name is Clifford Enoch. And then also, I'm a Cebuano, so I'm not fluent sa pagtatagalog. But I'm trying to, speak in Tagalog, or sasabihin ko in Tagalog. But right now, I'm going to share what I did as a law student, taking mga subjects, a lot of subjects in first year, loaded. I mean, full load subjects. Yung sa first semester, that's 6 subjects. Second semester, the same. So, criminal law 1, constitutional 1, and then uh, persons and family, doon sa first year, first semester. Sa second year is, yung tawag doon, Consti 2, Criminal 2, tsaka yung yung sa Consti, yung obligation ng contracts. Tsaka yung mga masasabi natin medyo minor, yung legal ethics, or no, yung ang tawag doon, anong subject yun na statutory construction, logic, and then basic legal ethics. So I'm going to share to you my screen. Ito. Yan. So, dali I'm trying to share this for those mga katulad ko, that law students who are struggling to yung tawag doon, yung mga pag-gather ng mga data ng mga yung note taking, no, note taking. Pero ganito, we have different style, different types of way of doing yung mga notes, but ito yung sa akin is on my laptop, and then incorporated na lahat. So ito, I'm going to show you dito sa banda on my left side. So I have, wait So all the subjects, dali, ano ko muna. Okay. So here we have yung major na subjects sa law: commercial, criminal law, legal ethics, political. So ano na, apat, political law, and then apat. Tsaka yung sa civil law, which is ginawa kong separate, yung merong oblicon, merong property, yan. Tsaka ito. So, in every, parang ano siya, folder. Like for example, so I give you an idea what is Obsidian, is a note-taking app. Ganito yon ang gist or ang tawag doon, yung the way how this note-taking app works. Alright? So, let's say dito sa political law, mayroong tinatawag na table of contents. But here, I make a it says here MOC, not the TOC, that's table of contents. Here it's MOC is map of contents. So they are being mapped. All right. So like for example, this is in preview mode. Kung halimbawa historical or history of the Constitution, when I click this, when I open that, so 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 ganito 'yon. Yan, makikita natin yung mga context niyan, but this is not complete, no? So his history, like for example, history. So let's say Article 6 Legislative Department, andito ang banda. Yan. So under Legislative Department, so nandyan yung mga note-taking na ginagawa ko. Like for example, I'm give you an example sa Power of Congress. Okay, so since this is preview mode, makikita natin na like for example ito, this is at ano kasi ito yung Obsidian is yung mga small notes that is interconnected, internal linking with each other note to form a shall we say yung tawag doon, mag-connect siya to different parts of the notes that you are making. So parang if you are familiar with other note-taking app that uses this type, like I forgot the name. Note. Okay, so like for example here, now ito like legislative power. I have a separate notes like legislative power, and then all the notes that I read from, for example, this book, the particular highlights. So I'm going to copy, no, copy or type it and then put it here on my Obsidian app. So every time mayroon ng halimbawa yung ito, who exercises the power, to kinuha ko yung mga important dyan, and then later on it will be part of a bigger data, yung ang tawag doon, yung mga notes, no, internal linking. So if you are tawag doon, meron kasing mga better or yung linking na ginagawa sa mga notes to make it more para bang you can rediscover or discover parts of an idea na parang unique sa iyo. And then one thing also that ginagawa ko to, iba kasi yung 'di ba, when we read and then we highlight. Here I read and then I copy the pertinent or the particular important na kailangan, like for example doon sa mga provisions na let's say it's part of a bar exam question. So doon inaano ko na, kina-compile here. So ito yung nangyayari. Like for example kanina 'di ba, legislative power, so ito na siya. Tapos ito naman non-legislative power. If I open that note, yan. So makikita natin dito that every time ng mga notes na yon, parang inano mo, mayroon kasi particular na name to, yung atomic notes pala, yan. Atomic notes, meaning small notes. Later on, mag-ano siya, parang you connect or include in your bigger notes. So, ito yung ginagamit ko ngayon, Obsidian. It's free. It's not, actually, I'm not promoting it na affiliate kasi to wala I'm not being paid for this, but this is used by a lot of research or tawag doon ng mga yung mga researchers, mga scientific papers, they are being used by scientific papers. Also, pagka gawa tayo ng mga books, for example, ito, Scrivener. And this is what I am trying to learn, and hindi naman siya mahirap matutunan. Okay? But ito talaga maganda. Obsidian. And I'm going to show you one of the features that may you be para bang gusto mo rin matutunan to. Okay, to. This is a graph view of all the notes. Yan. Zoom out. Let's say that's all the content from my notes. Every dot there is a note that link to another note. Ayan, like for example, zoom in natin. Let's try and zoom in. Dali parang nag-lag yung laptop ko. It's not properly. Oh, okay. Madali. Na. So it's not let's say off mo na. Cut mo na. Um, okay, so this is again the graph view. Then I'm going to zoom in. Yan. And then like for example this one. Okay. Like for example this one, civil liability of persons guilty of crimes against chastity. So you can see there is a article. Ayan. Ito yung mga connected topics. Okay? So yan sa criminal law. So let's try with another topic like ito, void for bigness doctrine and doctrine of overbreadth. Yan. If I click that, and it will open to a note, and let's have yan. That's my note. So my notes also are or yung mga notes na lahat ng mga topic title, I make it in the form of a question. No, mayroong mga questions. Dali, agingay nito Alright, so yan. And then some are like this, no, requirements. And then yan, overbreadth. Okay. So like for example, I make this notes titled rule making power, and then this is the rule making power of the Supreme Court. So here, ito yung mga importante dyan. Supreme Court has the power to promulgate the rule concerning 1, 2, 3, 4, like ganyan. And then ano yung limitations. And then I say here, meron dito yun, sabi ko is I discuss the rulemaking power of the Supreme Court. It's like I am repeating from the above, no? Yeah, rulemaking. But dito, pag parang ano ba, pang bar questions. Okay, and like ito, Bill of Rights, like for example, ito, maganda to, Bill of Rights. Actually, meron akong ginawa dito, kanina. I forgot the, ano, like for example, ito, valid waiver. And if I, yeah, that's valid waiver. If I click that or for preview mode, no, yung parang I can export this in a PDF form. And then meron siyang, ang maganda nito is you can maintain the annotations, the footnotes, no? Kung ano yung jurisprudence number, yan, kompleto. And then I can also know pag itong halimbawa itong topic na valid waiver, and then if I show or open the local graph, pag para bang itong mismong notes kung ano yung nearest na mga related notes. Ayan. Zoom in natin. And then, pagka sinabi dyan, valid waiver, so ano yung mga topics related to that connected. Dali ha. Yan. Saan na yun? Pumunta. Yan. Meron siyang admissibility of confessions. No? No? At meron ding preliminary investigations na topic, custodial investigation, right to confront. Ito yung sa Bill of Rights, di ba? Bill of Rights. Okay, so medyo sluggish yung ano, laptop. I'll go back to my camera. All right. So, yun lang siguro. Medyo I'm not familiar kasi sa or hindi ako kabisado dito sa ano sa laptop. Minsan kasi or I'm always on my desktop. Pero may problema yung desktop ko ngayon, so dito ako sa laptop. Medyo I'm not pangit ang loading, maglo-loading. Okay, hanggang doon lang. Ito po si the PAKSITEER. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. And marami pa akong i-share dito when it comes to about property. As a real estate broker, maraming topic akong ma-share regarding dyan. Here, I'm going to give you preview. Ito, property. Under property. Ayan, under property. And then I'm going to click that, open property. So like for example, ito, introduction to eminent domain. Okay, so that's it, and bye.